Itchy knee, some, she. Come on. I counted the first 3. You count the rest. Oh, they made White Rabbit bunny candies for me.
Oh.
This is almost like Bean Boozled. Taste it. Taste it. Miso soup or something.
Oh, soy sauce. Very bitter. Have you had bitter Kit Kat?
You know why? There is actually leaves in here.
Ah! No. Can anybody tell me what flavor is this one? Is this one flavor?
I don't know. I don't drink.
Okay.
You're a lush.
Huh? Like red bean ice cream?
Yeah, that's nasty.
No, I like that flavor.
It's got a dirt flavor. Somehow I'm Kit Katted out now.
We will take those to Easter party. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to taste the weird flavors Kit Kat. I will let my husband taste those flavors as well. I have never seen those many flavors Kit Kat. Have you seen those Kit Kat? 12 flavors Kit Kat. Besides the original flavors, I had mocha flavors Kit Kat and what else? I don't remember. Those Kit Kat were free samples sent to me to taste. The link is in the description box. From the picture, I guess this is cappuccino flavor because the color is brown. The color is white and it smells milky. I thought the color would be brown, but it's white chocolate and smells very creamy. It smells like milk, but it's not milk. It's like milk drink. Milk flavor soft drink. Oh, I know what flavor is this. Ice cream flavor, vanilla ice cream. Because I can't read Japanese, so I get the flavor, vanilla ice cream flavor. I will have my husband taste those flavors later. From the package, the next one is Easter chocolates. I guess the flavor is original flavor. Oh no, my guess was wrong. It smells like fruit sugar. Easter Kit Kat. Oh, the inside is not white chocolate. The inside is brown. It's very hard to describe the flavor. It tastes kind of like some kind of fruit chocolate. I'm going to try this one. From the packaging, I guess the flavor is some kind of flower. Maybe it's sakura flavor. Oh, the color is white. This one is white chocolate. This one is easily to guess. Inside looks like brown chocolate. And compared to the Easter egg chocolate, and that Easter egg chocolate is yellowish. The next one is blue packaging, and I guess the flavor is seaweed flavor. And I guess the color is white with blue dots. Oh, no, it's not white. It's like yellowish. The smell is like the fruit chewy candy. It is fruit flavor. It's like orange. It's also got the center brownish thing. The flavor of the next one from the picture, it looks like taro, purple yen. Oh, I can read the Chinese over here. It says steamed buns flavor. It does match the picture. Ooh, this Kit Kat is prettier because it's got leaves pattern on it. Inside, it's got a little bit purple, see? Have you tasted red bean ice cream? This Kit Kat tastes like that. This flavor is very different than previous one. The previous Kit Kat tastes like chocolate, white chocolate or fruit or candies, but this one tastes very different. I actually like this flavor than the other flavor because it really reminds me of red bean ice cream. You can get red bean ice cream from the Asian market. It tastes good. Try it out. The next one is in the blue package. It's like wine, red tea. The picture is grapes. Wine flavored Kit Kat. Wow, I was right. It smells like wine and grapes. Wow, this one is wine flavor. It tastes really good. The taste is very refreshing. It's very different than the others. Very interesting and very new. The flavor of wine is very strong. So each flavor I only have one bite because I don't want to eat too much sugar at a time. Okay, let's see the next one. I can't really tell from the picture what it is. I guess the color is purple. It is purple. First time we got different colors other than white and cream. This is my first time seeing purple Kit Kat. It's very hard to tell the flavor. It's just like white chocolate, nothing new. I really don't know. Can anybody tell me what flavor is this one? From the picture, I think this one is Cheesecake Flavor Kit Kat. I guess the color is white. This one is easy to guess from the picture. It tastes like cheesecake. It also tastes like yogurt. The flavor is similar to white chocolate, but it has yogurt flavor. What's the flavor of this one? Maybe you can tell me. I know what the next one is because I can read this. My husband is calling me. We can start from. Oh, you want to taste this one?
Is this the Easter Bunny ones?
Yeah, yes, the Easter Bunny ones. Oh, this one is Easter Bunny. It tastes like white chocolate. You should taste this one. I guess it's cheesecake. Do you think it's cheesecake?
The picture shows cheesecake.
Yes, but the taste is like yogurt.
I'm thinking you ought to try one of these. On the package, it says you're supposed to bake it in the oven.
No!
Yeah. Okay. Where's your package? Because I was looking at the package.
Package is over there.
Right here on the front. See? It's very clear.
Ah.
See? Here. Let me read the package for you here. Uncooked. Then there's an arrow. Goes to a cooked one. Huh. What's that all about? So if you flip it over on the package, it says Japanese, Japanese, Japanese. Put it on a cooking sheet. Don't put it on the rack. Don't put it in a cup. Don't put it in a pan. Put it in a toaster. Ta-da! Then you shove it in the refrigerator and it'll taste good.
Yes, you can also bake it. Look, I didn't. Which one you just had?
I don't know, speckly one. I bet it's going to be shaped like
Don't
grapes.
Don't melt it. This one tastes like wine. This one is wine flavor.
No,
is strong.
because look, this one I can feel it. It feels strange. It's not shaped like a normal Kit Kat.
Is this wine flavor?
I don't know, I don't drink.
It tastes like a grape flavor.
Yeah, I'm curious about the red bean. Give me the red bean.
Yes, this one tastes like a red bean ice cream. Like red bean ice cream?
Yeah, that's nasty.
I like that flavor.
It's got a dirt flavor.
No.
Listen, I was just in the yard doing yard work. That tastes like dirt.
No, it doesn't.
It tastes like dirt.
It tastes like a red bean to me.
It tastes like dusty yard work. No. Are you sure it's not leaf flavor? Because this tastes like fall. You know, it's got pictures of leaves on it. How do you know that this is not leaf flavor?
It's just the shape.
No, that is
shape.
That is leaf. That's definitely.
No. It tastes like red beans.
No, you know what? That tastes like oak leaf, maybe with a little bit of pine straw mixed in.
I don't think so. Okay, try the purple one. The purple one, I don't know what the flavor it is. Can you tell?
Jelly.
Jelly flavor? Maybe it's jelly flavor.
Sure. This is almost like Bean Boozled, except it's with Kit Kat. What flavor of Kit Kat are you going to get? It's either yogurt or soured milk.
So I think except those two, the others are very similar.
You know what? I want some of your White Rabbit candy. Are these the Easter Bunny Kit Kats?
Yes. Okay, I think this one should be interesting. You smell it. It's like thick alcohol, right?
Sake. Seriously? I was gonna joke about how this was like miso soup or something, but now that you mention it, that does look like a bowl of sake.
And also soy sauce.
Okay, sake and soy sauce.
It says it's sake flavor. It's just the white.
Except for the smell. The smell is very strong. It smells like sake. All of a sudden, I feel like putting a tie on my forehead and singing karaoke songs.
Why? The taste like a white chocolate mixed with sake.
Yeah. Now that I've had sake, I feel like getting grabby.
What is
I'm
that?
here. You know what drunk guys do. Sing songs, grab the waitress.
Okay, that's why it's very strong.
Yeah. Okay, this one, it doesn't taste bad, but it really smells like sake. It's got a very, very strong alcohol sake smell to it.
Yes.
Not so much the taste. It's got a very, very strong smell.
I think this one is berry flavor.
No, I see. That looks like a tomato.
Oh, really? Oh, almond.
Well, it's
almond,
green tea, and tomato.
How did you know it's green tea? It does say mocha.
Cranberry. It's got cranberry.
Oh, that's a very interesting Kit Kat. It's got nuts and fruit. It's mocha flavor.
I like it.
Yes, this flavor is very unique.
It's better than the sake.
I like the sake. Okay.
You're a lush.
Huh?
You get drunk.
The sake flavor tastes good.
Your favorite or the leaf flavor?
No, that's a red beans.
Show them the picture. I'm pretty sure that is a leaf.
It's a purple yen, but the character says steamed bun, so I don't know what's the real flavor.
It doesn't taste like steamed buns. It tastes like steamed leaves, maybe.
This is a mocha. Most of us know this flavor. Are you getting sugar high? Are you glad I didn't open everything?
Yes.
I had only one bite of each one. So this one, this one is melted. This one is green and that side is melted. We had this one before, the mocha. So the taste, well, it tastes bad.
What do you mean it tastes bad?
It tastes bitter. Is that one gone bad? It tastes really like bitter tea. Very bitter.
Well, you're right. It does taste very, very bitter. Here, try this one.
Okay, try this one.
Tastes bad too. Read your label again. Well, let's see if that's really mocha.
This one is mocha, but why it tastes very bitter? Very strong black tea. I had very strong tea before. If the tea is bitter, the tea is very strong.
You know why? There is actually leaves in here. The little black speckles are leaves.
Oh, that's why it tastes bitter.
The black speckles are actually straight up leaves.
The leaves taste very bitter. Bitter Kit Kat. Have you had bitter Kit Kat?
I told you there were leaves in it.
Yeah, this one has leaves in it. Very bitter. I don't like this flavor because it's very bitter. The flavor is not like the mocha I had before. The mocha I had before is very sweet, but this one is different because it's got leaves in it. Everyone knows the last one, the original flavor. But
No, this stuff is coming out of Japan. It may look like a normal package, but there's no telling what flavor that could be. They could hide all sorts of stuff in a dark, brownish looking substance. Taste it, taste it, taste it, taste it, taste it, taste it, taste it. Are you sure?
The packaging is different. I don't know why. I don't know why. Ah! No!
I told you.
It's not original flavor. Strawberry. I saw this original flavor. No.
Baby, let's try to use our reading skills. Does it say anything on here?
No strawberry picture. How should I know?
Well, maybe it doesn't have a strawberry picture, but what does that right there say?
I can't read. So this one is pink. Strawberry Kit Kat. Strawberry Kit Kat. I didn't know that one was strawberry.
Trying to find out if this actually says strawberry in any kind of way. Yeah, it doesn't say anything on it at all about being strawberry.
Let me count how many flavors.
You gotta count it in Japanese. Ichi, ni, san, shi. Come on, I counted the first three, you count the rest.
I forgot. Ichi, ni, san.
Shi. So I count farther in Japanese than you can?
I forgot. I took my Japanese grade was B. I forgot.
Minus.
No, B.
B
I don't
minus,
remember B or B
minus.
plus. I took Japanese 101. I had a lot of vocabulary.
Japanese 101 teaches you to count to 3. Ichi, ni, san.
I forgot. Then let me count. 13 flavors. Okay, I was right. 13 flavors. Okay, let's taste the strawberry flavor. The strawberry extract is strong. The packaging, nothing looks like strawberry.
That is a very, very strong strawberry flavor.
Yes, very strong strawberry.
Yeah, I'm a little surprised. Usually the sweets coming out of Asia are not as sweet. They're a little bit, especially the chocolates and stuff, they're less sugary, but this stuff is really super sugary. Really, I'm struggling to figure out which one was more sugary. Remember the Russian cow cracker snack things we had?
I think that one was more sugary.
That was super sugary. Maybe it's just the flavors here are really powerful on top of the sugar, because that strawberry stuff,
it's very strawberry.
Yeah, it's like...
It looks like they put a lot of artificial flavor. Okay, it's original.
Yeah, you keep saying that. Open it up and let's see.
This one looks like original flavor, but it's not. This one should be the original. Yes, only brown color in today's Kit Kat. Oh, it's melted. Do you still want to taste that?
I want to taste it because I don't trust that it's just brown.
Small bite, chocolate flavor.
Somehow I'm Kit Katted out now.
You're tired of it?
Yeah, it didn't take much.
That's a lot of flavor. We didn't have like one package. We just had one bite. Not even finished here. So
I think you should go down and you should follow the instructions and do a Kit Kat bake. You need to do a Kit Kat bake. Just
Okay.
follow the instructions. And what's going on with this? I'm noticing that all the little packages have like an area where you're supposed to draw stuff on it.
have a break, have a Kit Kat. I think 2 of those Kit Kats will make you
Diabetic?
not thinking about candy for a while. Even though I just had one bite.
You've got milk downstairs. Do you need some milk? I need milk.
Too sugary?
Yeah, I need the milk to kill the sugar.
How many minutes? Says 1,000. Wow.
No, if you're using a particular type of microwave.
It says 2.5 minutes.
Is that minutes or seconds?
2 and 2.5. I can read that part.
Because it's in Chinese. And are you supposed to start with a frozen Kit Kat? It looks like you're supposed to put it in the freezer when you're done with it. What temperature?
I don't know. It says 1,000. Wow. We can just use 350. What are you doing here?
Well, they're Easter Bunny flavored Kit Kats, and I wanted some of the White Rabbit candy, so I figured I'll let them do what Easter Bunnies do. Oh, they made White Rabbit bunny candies.
Said you're sugar high now. Sugar high. No more candies. This is how you make skirt. Look! Not exactly, but not bad.
Yeah, it's too small.
It doesn't matter. Okay. See what will have it. I think it's over 2 minutes. It didn't burn and it's melted and I don't know. It doesn't look like the picture. I think the heat is not high enough and it was over 2 minutes. Put Kit Kat on the fire. It's just melting. It's not burning.
Gotta burn. Picture can't lie. It's an advertisement. It's gotta be the truth.
Maybe you need 1 minute. It is burned.
Oh, it started to caramelize just a little bit right there.
Oh, it's
Told you the picture can't lie.
the heat was not high enough in the oven, so ooh, it's burned now. Ooh, it's burned now. Oh, now it looks like the picture. So the fire is faster than the oven.
Now we're supposed to put it in the freezer.
Okay, we put it in the freezer. How it's different. It still tastes like Kit Kat. It's just so cold and
Crunchy.
yes.
Is any less sweet?
No, this tastes really like ice cream flavor. The vanilla ice cream. Milk tastes good. Okay, we have a lot of more Kit Kat. And we will take it to
Easter party.
Easter party and we will give away those Kit Kats. Let people to taste those interesting and weird flavored Kit Kat. We'll have people taste those. We will take those to Easter party.